What's up, babies? What's going on? Ooh, how you feeling? How you feeling? Ooh, how you feeling? Ow! Yes, we love the stupidity. Yes, yes. Boom shakalaka. So, excuse the pimple, you guys. I'm so happy that you're on the channel. If you're a new subscriber, if you're not, well, hello, welcome to the family. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Profusion Cosmetics Mixed Metallics Glam eyeshadow palette. These colors are beautiful, if I must say. Look at those colors. Look at those colors, you guys. Found this in Ross. It was very cheap. I think it's like $7 or $8. And I was like, I have to try it, you guys. So it was an eye and lip kit. So I'm going to use the brush that came with it. And I'm going to also use the lip liner and the actual lip that they had to come with it, which was actually very pretty. So yes, I'm going with my LA Colors concealer, and found this at Family Dollar. Was it Family Dollar? I think it was Family Dollar. $4, and I got this in the CC 567 tan. Okay. Do that to conceal my eyebrows and everything. I didn't want to do my eyebrows on camera because I feel like, you know, my eye shape is not going to be your eye shape, and it's kind of the same thing with the eyebrows, okay? Your eyebrows should fit your face. So yes, going with the same concealer on my eyes for a base. I do that because whenever you put a eyeshadow primer or concealer on your eyes, it's just gonna make your eyeshadow have something to stick on, and it's actually gonna bring out the colors, whether the eyeshadow is whack or not. Okay, so I think I'm looking for a brush. Yes. Okay, so baby, I do not know what the name of this brush is. Something Chinese. All I know is that a friend that I used to have, she gave me this brush, so I've been using it ever since because it's actually very useful. Go in to blend. We're finished blending. Let me get the Maybelline Fit Me. I think I got the toffee color now, but that's what I normally use. But baby, honestly, for the setting powder, it's like $5, $6, $7 at Walmart. But I'm not willing to spend that much money on some setting powder like that. So, baby, after I was finished with it, after I was finished using all the powder they had up in there, you know what my ghetto self did? I put some baby powder in it. That's the same thing, honestly. Don't knock it till you try it. So, yes, I got this brush from my mom. She had gave it to me for Christmas. It came with 7 other brushes. And this brush is really good for, you know, setting your powder. It's really good for your foundation, blush, anything. So the color that I'm gonna start off with in this beautiful palette is Gentle, you guys. It's more of like it's gonna be a base. That's why I put it as a base on my on my eyelids, because it's kind of like the concealer. It's just matting the concealer, okay? So I'll go in with a wish brush. Got this $20, no, not $20, 20 brush set. It came with 20 different brushes. And y'all, Wish is great for makeup brushes. If you want to go cheap on your brushes, it is great for brushes, okay? I can't vouch for everything on Wish is a great buy, because it's really like a hit or miss. But after after buying from Wish a couple of times, I can tell you that, you know, everything you shouldn't get from Wish. Certain things you should, certain things you shouldn't. So for my crease color, I went in with the color Cookie. It's like a little bit darker than a copper color, more like a brown for my crease. And then I went in with the Tricky. It's a little bit darker than that brown. And I'm also going in with the crease on that as well. Okay, we're just defining our crease. I personally do my crease before I do my eyelids with color. I'm not a big fan of like crazy eyeshadow colors and eye design. I really like to keep my makeup really subtle, but this palette really motivated me to be like, okay, I'm gonna do something today. I'm gonna try to attempt to at least. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild brush that I got from Dollar Tree, and this setting spray that I got from my local hair store, $3 or $4. Spray it on my brush because whenever you wet your brush in your eyeshadows, like, it's gonna pop even more, you guys. I'm telling you, learn this from a drag queen on YouTube. I was like, wow, it really made a difference. It was from a sorry eyeshadow palette, but because he put water on it, made such a difference. And this is the color Interest that I am putting on my eyes, y'all. This is what really struck me to get this palette. The color is very beautiful. It's like a teal wannabe green, but it's more so like a blue teal color, very smoky. So I was like, yes, when I saw this color, I was like, I'm gonna do a smoky look. I'm gonna do a smoky look. So yes, blend that in. Yes, blend it in with your crease. You can never go wrong with blending on your eyeshadow. Like, the more you blend, the more flawless it looks, you guys. So I go in with another Wish brush, and I'm angling my brush and blending it that way because, you know, it's a certain way that you can do your eyeshadow that can change the dimension or the shape of your eye. And so I really wanted a angled eye shape for this eye makeup look. So I go back in with Interest again, just making sure, you know, realize I'm not, you know, just going ham with the Interest color. I'm just dabbing it because my brush is already wet, and I'm slightly patting it on my eyes. Okay. Do the same thing on my other eye. Boom, dot diggity. I didn't show the last part, but I also went in with the Knockout color, you guys. Knockout was the black, and I just did a little bit of black because, you know, that black with that brown to just make a bit of a difference. So this is from another Wish set, you guys, and I went in with the foundation NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the color Caramel. It's really, it really struck my attention because I had a friend who used it, and her makeup was so flawless. Now, this stuff is not cheap. Well, personally for me, it's not cheap, okay? I'm used to paying like $5-6 for some foundation, maybe $7 or $8. But baby, at Walgreens, this is $15. $15-16, baby. That is not cute. But I will say it's very light base to be full coverage, and it really looks natural on my skin. So after I blend that all out, I'm going in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Soft Matte Concealer, and this is a really good concealer as well, you guys. If I'm not mistaken, I got this from Dollar General. I believe Dollar General. Yeah, Dollar General. $5-6 for concealer. These days, I don't go crazy with my foundation. I go more so. I do a light finish with foundation. Like, it's going to be full coverage, but I'm not going to have a whole bunch on my face because I feel like the concealer, I focus more on my concealer now, and it really made a difference in my makeup, if I'm being honest. So I put it right up under my eye in like a triangular shape, and I blend it out. I also put it on my nose. I put it right up under my nose and right on my chin and right above my eyebrows. Those are the spots where I want the most dimension, because whenever I put the contour in there, my face is going to be snatched, my babies. It's going to be snatched. So yes, going in with contour. So I'm going in with the Smashbox. Got this for Christmas. You know, you can tell I hit pan on it. Got a brush for Christmas. I'm telling you, you can never go wrong with too many brushes, honestly. So I went in with a darker color for the Smashbox and contoured my cheeks. I really don't contour a lot unless I'm just trying to be extra. And today, well, this day that I had recorded this, I was trying to be extra boo-boo. So, of course, I'm clumsy. I go in with the Color Mate blush that I got from Dollar Tree. Y'all be sleeping on Dollar Tree makeup, I'm telling you. Some Dollar Tree makeup comes in clutch, and this is one of them. Very subtle blush, but very rosy, very becoming if you want your face to be, you know, lined up with some color besides the eyeshadow color that you have. So I go right above my contour and blend it out with another Wish brush. And the thing about this this blush that I like is like it's a blush, a soft pink blush, but it has like particles of highlight in it. So, you know, you can never go wrong with that. Blend it in. And, you know, one mistake that you can do when you're applying blush, don't smile and put on blush, because it's not going to be where your natural cheekbone would actually be. So keep a straight face and do it, you know, according to your face shape, okay? I guess I'm looking for something. Yeah, so this brush came with the eye and lip kit from Profusion. It's really nice though. It's a really good contour brush for my nose, so that's what I used it for. Went in with the Smashbox darker brown that was in the Smashbox palette, and I'm going in with my nose. I really have a big insecurity about my nose, but you know, I will never need a nose job. I would never need a nose job because, you know, I feel like makeup does all that. So I go in with for my nose contour, I go in with the LA Colors Conceal It right above that Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer. And then I go in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's like one of those when you have a brush that comes with it and you can dip in it and apply it to your eyes. Yeah, but it's a Wet n Wild. I got it from Dollar Tree. Very cheap. Went in on my under my eyes, over my eyes, and up under my eyelid. You know, this is actually a really great product for it to be super cheap. It's very slept on. It's waterproof and everything, but eyeliner makes a difference, and I would recommend this Wet n Wild eyeliner to anyone because, you know, it just makes such a difference with eye makeup. And whenever I'm not wearing eyeliner, I pop on lashes. Eyeliner and lashes can really make a difference, you guys. So I go in with my eyelashes with the Total Temptation by Maybelline New York. I got like a 4-pack of different Maybelline mascaras from Big Lots for like $8, which I thought was a good deal because, you know, they had 2, like the Total Temptation and 3 other mascaras, whether you wanted high definition in your eyelashes or you didn't. I just use mascara because, you know, even if I'm putting on lashes, you can never go wrong with applying a little bit of mascara just for your eyes to blend in with the lashes that you're applying, so it won't look like it's just gray up under your eyelashes. Like y'all know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I do a light coat of mascara on my eyes. This day I really needed to wash my hair. It's just like the 4th day of me, you know, just dealing with it. So I think I'm going with highlight now. This is I forgot what kind of brush this was. I think this is a Real Techniques brush. I go in with the highlighter and in Smashbox, and I do it on my eyebrows, on my nose, and I did a little bit of highlight on my cheekbones, because I feel like this color highlight, you know, it's not really my go-to highlight because of my skin tone. I go for more golds with highlight, but you know, that's why a little bit, you know, of that just made a big difference. Going with the Apex that my mom got me for Christmas, one of those brushes, and I blend out my nose some more. My nose is like a button. So yes, I go in with another brush. I think I got this brush from Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, some of the brushes from Dollar Tree are actually really good too. Go in with the dark brown that I contoured with, and I go around my hairline just to blend it all out right above my hairline, because that stuff pulls up on pictures, baby. It pulls up on pictures. If you don't, if your makeup is not matching your hairline, it's gonna pull up. Got these lashes from AliExpress, and I can say this was a great deal as well. It took forever for them to get here, but it was a great deal, okay? I used the salon hair glue for my eyelashes because I feel like eyelash glue really doesn't do anything for my eyelashes. Whenever I try to apply them on, they're going to be off in 2 minutes using regular eyelash glue. And, you know, I'm not a professional with makeup, but that's what I personally use for me. I go in with the lip liner that came in the Profusion kit, and it's actually a pretty color, and it came with a gold shimmery lip gloss, and I'm applying that on now, and it just gives you a little more oomph, right, to go with the metallics. So yes, y'all, this is my final look. My review on the eye and lip kit, I think everyone should go get it. It's actually very useful. I really love the colors. The colors are very pigmented, and I would rate this out of 5 stars a 4 out of 5, and I would rate it a 4 out of 5 because, you know, I feel like the shimmery lip gloss was a little dry, but you know, that's just my opinion. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love this, and you should try for yourself. And bye, guys.